Hello everyone, I'm so glad to introduce a brand new user interface to all of RGB Link users today. We always keep bringing customers better using experience. Now let's see the optimizations of the new user interface together. The old version UI is more engineering style, but not user-friendly to customers. Turn to the brand new user interface. The whole screen looks more concise now. It's composed of 3 parts: the option menu at the bottom, the scrolling menu arrow on the left, and the status display arrow at the top. We upgraded the way to hide the UI. Tap to switch. The signal switching operation is changed. Press to pop up the switching window from the bottom. NDI decoding settings has too much menu layers in the old UI. New UI makes it simple with. Tap to switch and press to set. Put streaming switch and function together and enlarge the icon to make the operation easier. Add independent option for NDI encoding. Press to set. A pop-up dialog is added to inspect the user's operation. This is the scrolling menu arrow on the left with brand new design. You can switch and set the brightness, histogram, weight and wave diagram, safety frame, sound column, and other operations here. The status display arrow at the top is integrated into the upper right corner, making the page more concise and beautiful now. For more information, please refer to our user manual.